What if I told you that with sabudana, potatoes, and peanuts, you can make three different recipes for your vrat? Sabudana khichdi, sabudana thalipit, and batata chakkis. Your kids want sabudana thalipit or sabudana khichdi, but you are low on sabudana and you have potatoes you need to finish. That is the time I love to make batata chakkis. My first intro to kees was after marriage, and I had eaten ratyacha kees or sweet potato kees. Yes, you can make the same kees with sweet potatoes. These are your ingredients. Besides this, you will need jeera or cumin seeds and ghee, clarified butter. The full list is in the description box with the quantities you will need. I prefer to use medium sabudana and soak it overnight. It needs minimum 8 to 10 hours of soaking. You can also use the small grain fine one, and I believe it soaks in 2 hours. But I have always found that it doesn't swell as much as the medium one swells, and it throws my ingredients and calculations for quantities off balance. So I prefer to use the medium size sabudana. Tell me in the comments if you too prefer to eat sabudana when you're fasting or for your upvas. You can make the sabudana once it is soaked, but I prefer to make it in the morning. This is the potatoes that I have grated. I had kept it under water and now I have drained and squeezed out all the water. First, let us get the sago ready, the sabudana ready. Generally, when I'm cooking, I will make the tempering and start stir frying the potato grating and then mix the sago. But today I'm showing you the other way around. You could do that to save time. To get the sago ready, like in sabudana khichdi, you will add roasted peanut powder to the sago and mix it up. Now the quantity of roasted peanut powder that you will need differs, so mix up a little at a time. Once the whole mixture is well mixed, add salt. If you're using sugar, add sugar and some lemon juice. Mix well. I'm curious, do you also squeeze lemon like I do, or you use a squeezer? Now the key here is to mix all the ingredients till they are well mixed. Let's now make the tempering. In a thick wok, add ghee. Ghee is what we eat for us upvas in Maharashtrian families. Splutter jeera or cumin seeds and green chilies. Share with me what foods you avoid when fasting. Next, add the grated potato. Wait, before you add, squeeze out all the water after you drain the potatoes. This will help to cook the potatoes well, and it gets rid of most of the starch. By the way, throughout the recipe, your flame has to be low. So mix the potatoes well, then add some salt, mix well, and cook covered. If simple recipes like this help, please subscribe. Stir the potatoes occasionally so that they cook evenly and do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Check if the potatoes are cooked, otherwise, cover and cook till done. In about 3 or 4 minutes, the potatoes will be done totally now. They are done. You will be able to cut the potato very easily. Now let's add the sabudana. Mix the sabudana mixture well and test the salt. This is the time I test and add if needed. This is the only point you can add more salt. Cook covered till the sabudana is done. Let me not bore you with my mixing process. I'll just fast forward it. So comment and tell me, will you be trying this batata chakkis or will you be making it with sweet potato? Now I prefer to stir my kees occasionally in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Today I have some coriander leaves, so I'm adding them and mixing it up. Let me tell you, the whole house is smelling delicious. In fact, when I started making the tempering itself, the house was smelling delicious, and I have had my husband coming and checking out what I have been doing. Once the sabudana is cooked well, it becomes translucent, or you can crush it between your fingers and not feel anything hard. Also, the heat of the pan will be enough to cook the remaining portion. Switch off the flame, let the pan cool down. This also helps in mixing the flavors, and serve the batatyacha kees with curds or dahi when warm. Please share this recipe with someone who is looking out for traditional foods. I have linked my Vrat Ka Khana playlist. Do check it out. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another recipe.